Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can Zelle send Bitcoin? I'm going to be answering this question in a few different ways. First, I'll talk about what Zelle is and how it works. Then, I'll discuss the risks of using Zelle to send Bitcoin. Finally, I'll provide some alternatives to using Zelle to send Bitcoin. What is Zelle? Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a very convenient way to make payments, and it's also very secure. How does Zelle work? To use Zelle, you need to link your bank account or debit card to your Zelle account. Once you've done that, you can send money to anyone who has a Zelle account. To send money using Zelle, you simply enter the recipient's email address or phone number and then enter the amount you want to send. The money will be transferred to the recipient's account within minutes. Can Zelle send Bitcoin? The answer to this question is no, Zelle cannot send Bitcoin. However, there are a few ways that you can use Zelle to indirectly send Bitcoin. One way to do this is to use a Bitcoin exchange. There are a number of Bitcoin exchanges available, and you can use them to buy and sell Bitcoin. Once you've purchased Bitcoin, you can then send it to someone else using their Zelle account. Another way to use Zelle to send Bitcoin is to use a peer-to-peer, P2P, exchange. P2P exchanges allow you to trade Bitcoin with other people directly. This can be a good option if you want to avoid the fees associated with using a Bitcoin exchange. Risks of using Zelle to send Bitcoin. There are a few risks associated with using Zelle to send Bitcoin. Zelle is not designed for sending cryptocurrency. This means that there is no built-in protection for transactions involving cryptocurrency. If you send Bitcoin using Zelle and something goes wrong, you may not be able to get your money back. Zelle is not regulated by the SEC or the CFTC. This means that there is no oversight of Zelle's activities. This could lead to problems if Zelle is ever hacked or if there is a scam involving Zelle. Bitcoin is a volatile asset. This means that the value of Bitcoin can fluctuate significantly. If you send Bitcoin using Zelle and the value of Bitcoin drops, you may lose money. Alternatives to using Zelle to send Bitcoin. There are a number of alternatives to using Zelle to send Bitcoin. Use a Bitcoin exchange. This is the safest and most reliable way to send Bitcoin. Use a P2P exchange. This can be a good option if you want to avoid the fees associated with using a Bitcoin exchange. Use a prepaid Bitcoin card. This is a good option if you want to avoid having to create an account with a Bitcoin exchange. Zelle cannot send Bitcoin directly. However, there are a few ways that you can use Zelle to indirectly send Bitcoin. If you are considering using Zelle to send Bitcoin, it is important to be aware of the risks involved. You should also consider using an alternative method, such as a Bitcoin exchange or a P2P exchange. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.